In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link monday.com to SharePoint using Zapier, creating a seamless integration between these two powerful platforms. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or simply keep everything organized, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and efficient. Let's start by signing in to your Zapier account, which will be our bridge between monday.com and SharePoint. Once you're logged in, you'll want to click on Create Zap. This is where we'll be designing our automated task, or Zap, which will connect both services. For our trigger application, you'll choose monday.com. A typical flow could be when a new item, like a task or project, is created in monday.com. You might want to create a corresponding folder or list item in SharePoint. This can even include uploading a file. When you select monday.com as your trigger app, you'll need to specify the event that will prompt this Zap. For today's purposes, let's choose New Item in Board as our event. It's important to connect your monday.com account to Zapier at this point, and you might need your API key to establish this link. Next, you'll need to map which board and group on monday.com you are interested in monitoring. This step ensures that your Zap only activates for the items you're specifically concerned about. Now let's turn our attention to the Action app, which is Microsoft SharePoint. In this section, you decide what action SharePoint should take when a new item is created in monday.com. You have several options such as create folder, create list item, or upload file to folder. Each action will help you organize and manage your SharePoint files easily and automatically. To establish a connection between Zapier and your SharePoint account, login details will be required. Once this is set, you can begin to map data from your monday.com item fields into SharePoint. This might involve matching the item name from monday.com to a folder name in SharePoint, or specifying which files should be moved. An essential step in the process is to test your Zap with some sample data. This test will ensure everything is working smoothly before you activate it. It's much better to catch potential issues now before they impact your live data. Finally, once you're satisfied with your testing, go ahead and turn on your Zap. From this point forward, every time a new item is created in your specified monday.com board and group, the corresponding action will automatically take place in SharePoint, helping you stay organized with minimal manual intervention. And there you have it, a clean integration between monday.com and SharePoint using Zapier. This setup is sure to help you maintain a streamlined workflow and boost your productivity.